For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Several Bollywood celebrities joined actor Taapsee Pannu and slammed power companies in Mumbai over unusually high bills for the month of June. Actors Shruti Seth, Amaira Dastoor, Neha Dhupia and director Sudhir Mishra also slammed the power companies on the same issue. Amaira Dastoor expressed her unhappiness on the social media over her electricity bill. Hi, I have written to you this morning, but the tweet has disappeared. Strange. You have been charging me a high amount on my bills even though I haven't stayed in that flat since April 1st. Kindly send me a contact number so I can speak to someone and sort this out. Actor Huma Qureshi also claimed that she paid Rs 6,000 last month and she has been charged Rs 50,000 by Adani Electricity for June. The actor took to her Twitter handle to share the problem. What are these new electricity rates? Last month I paid 6,000 and this month 50,000. What is this new price surge? Kindly enlighten us. On June 28th, Taapsee Pannu had hit out at Discom Adani Electricity after receiving a monthly bill of Rs 36,000 in June in comparison to Rs 3,850 in May. Taapsee took to her Twitter handle sharing images of her bills. Replying to Taapsee Pannu, Jay Mehta, a filmmaker and producer, also wrote on Twitter that he is facing the same issue.
Same here, Taapsee. Even after several phone calls and messages, all they did was justify their meter readings due to the pandemic. They said they couldn't do anything about it. The best you can do, I asked for a discount, but they'll still expect you to pay. They're thugs.
Film producer Tanuj Garg, another Adani Electricity customer, said he received an inflated power bill for his office.
We were surprised to receive some electricity bill for our office during the lockdowns, running into a couple of thousands. I don't think just running a fridge can cost so much. No one can believe these theories. Who is going to keep a track of their numbers? Besides, were customers duly intimated in advance about the policy?
Comedian Veer Das also claimed that he has received triple the amount of bill he usually pays.
Anyone else in Mumbai get an electricity bill that is triple what they usually pay? Hey all, whenever we get to normal shows on the first show, I'm going to charge you the cumulative amount you would have spent on coming to see multiple shows for all of 2020. Oh wait, I forgot. Comedy is not electricity, even though electricity appears to be comedy.
Not just celebrities, many others also raised their problems against these kind of unusual electricity bills on the social media.
Not only in Mumbai, in Delhi as well, got 6 times the previous month bill. Not sure what is happening.
However, other Mumbai and Delhi residents have been complaining regarding the similar issues and will have to see how authorities are expected to solve this problem.